MMM Ideologies. Presentation by Uduka Inaya, Branch 207, 08, 18, Group 17, MMM Nigeria Guidance School. Content: the reason of MMM goals, how MMM works, beneficial of participant, Ivana bonus, gather bonus, MMM goals. MMM is a global community, financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a community of ordinary people selfless help each other. MMM is a social network that contains the one who want to donate money PH with the one who want to get money GH. The history of MMM: Rochelle Badouti, born in 1955, mathematician and a programmer, start MMM Cooperative in 1989, become a journalist called company in 1994, become a deputy of the Rochelle permanent team. The founder arrested in the 2003 and jailed in 2017. Arrive of MMM in 2011. Sanjay Mafo, founder of MMM. Our goal is to create a fair of financial system where money will no longer be an issue, to create the world unjust financial system. The goal here is not the money, it is financial freedom. We will help millions to make millions, create a platform where there will be no need to go bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works? MMM is a community of people who provide each other financial help of the principle of grant, tutors and distribution and the Banovas. Marvel is the internal coin of MMM. It is what you buy when you pledge to donate and will be start growing from that moment at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of reward running twice in a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. The sum is Marvel show how much you can request yourself. Benefit of participants: you provide help and receive 30% per month for your donation. Extension bonus for every first donation. The participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from 11,000 to 978,000. $50 if the donation is from 110,000 to 659,780. $100 donation than 660,000. Benefit for bonus: Ivana bonus, 10% of PH. You get 10% for all donation of the participant you invite. Invite new member to this community to additional contribution to its development, and the bonus is giving the every new money. First, PH minus GH plus new PH is equal to 0.1. Gather bonus. Gather of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structure. Get a bonus from each of donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Those the manager can have their own leader who rank is higher than him. Manager bonus vary depend on the level in the structure. Gather bonus: 10% for the first level, 3% second level, 1% the third level, 0.5% fourth level, 0.25% the fifth level, 0.1% the sixth level, 0.5% the seventh level, 0.2% the eighth level, 0.1% the next level. MMM rules: do not have the multiple account. You can always pay as much as you want with your MMM account. Penalty: all your account will be permanent block. You will be banned. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Penalty: you will all be blocked from getting help until you give the identified proof. Rule 3: do not delay the payment of your order. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 4: do not edit your bank details. To change password less than 15 days before you GH help. Penalty: your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5: do not click on I refuse to make payment button for more than once in a month. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 6: Do not make deposit and fail to assign you for payment. Penalty, you will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment. You will be blocked. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 9. Do not allow your family member to pay more than you. If they have more than how much you pay, edit to donate. Let them do the through your PO or tell them how to register to under your link. You will be penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after GH withdrawal. Make a date to write it after you GH in 3 days. Penalty, you will be blocked. Number 10. Rule 10. Enroll people just for their sake to bonus, without educate and care about them, to enroll them when they are not really interested. Penalty, socially moderation and consultant. Thanks, together we change the world.